Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install Android apps on your PC. Okay, so there's obviously ways to do it with using third-party applications like BlueStacks, but now Windows 11 has a way to natively allow for Android apps to be installed on your PC. Okay, they introduced a new subsystem called Windows Subsystem for Android. You know, there is one similar to Linux, so you can have Linux on your Windows PC as well, and while running Windows, I should say, running simultaneously. It's similar to like having a virtual machine on Windows. So now you can have a virtual machine of Android on Windows as well. So you know, this is just a preview, so this obviously isn't the best way or the final way out there. It's basically just the first iteration of it, and hopefully it improves. So what we want to do is go to the Microsoft Store and search for Amazon. Okay, so now we're here and we want to select the first one, Amazon App Store Preview. Okay, so you guys can see over here, this is basically the Amazon App Store. If you guys don't know what that is or have never used it, it's very similar to the Google Play Store, but it's just very, very limited in the number of apps it provides. Okay, so you know, obviously Windows probably did some kind of deal with Amazon to allow their app store to be on Windows, right? Because obviously you would want Google's app store, Google Play Store, to be on Windows because that's the best and the main one with all the apps and everything. So, but for now we have the Amazon App Store, which is, you know, better than nothing, but you know, you can still, it has a 1.9 average rating, so you know, obviously there are still a lot of issues with this, which, you know, hopefully over time will improve, because this is the preview. Hopefully they won't just kill off the project and, you know, never talk about it again. But let's just get into it. So once you search Amazon, right, you want to click that Amazon App Store icon and then press install. So now here it's just telling you that your PC is ready for the Amazon App Store, because you need a certain specs on, you know, whether you're able to install the Windows subsystem for Android. Okay, because, you know, if your PC doesn't have enough specs, then it obviously will lag quite a bit. So let's download that. You know, yeah, this will take a few minutes, so I'm gonna just pause the video and continue when it's completed. See you then. Okay, it has completed. So it does this weird thing where in the middle it'll just turn off the Microsoft Store or close it, and you have to reopen it, and then hopefully, thankfully, it continues. So yeah, it's completed. It took like a couple minutes, like 2 minutes. Now we want to open the store. You guys can see over here, this is basically the Windows subsystem for Android emulator, right? It's like a virtual machine running on Windows. So it's starting it up. Shouldn't take that long. So now here we are. So what you want to do is sign in or create an account if you don't have one already. I'm going to pause the video, enter my credentials, and then continue. Alright, so now let's expand this, and this is basically it. This is the Amazon App Store. You have all the apps, you know, whatever, most likely not what you want, but you know, there are a decent amount of games here. So one thing I noticed that is there are more games than actual apps on this app store, right? Or there are more game apps rather than just regular other apps on this app store, which, you know, pretty interesting, but you know, obviously you'd want all the apps on here. So let's try it out. Let's download a game called the Subway Surfer. You know, most people have heard of that and have played it. You know, we'll just test it out to see if it lags or if there's any delays or anything of that sort on this app or on this platform. All right, take a couple seconds to download and to install. Yep. All right, so now we have completed installing. Let's move it to the middle, and here we are. So let me lower the volume because I don't want it to be too loud. Skip. All right, tap to play. So when you're playing, there's two ways you can control it. One is you can control it with a keyboard, so like up, down, left, right arrow. Right, and the other way to control it is with the mouse. So you can use the mouse and just, you know, press and then slide wherever you want to slide. Obviously I prefer using the mouse, I mean not the mouse, the keyboard, just a lot easier, and feels more natural, like you're actually playing a PC game rather than some kind of mobile game on PC. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It seems to be running really smoothly. My PC specs are pretty good. So if yours are pretty good, you probably will not have an issue playing this game or pretty much any other game that they provide. But you got to keep in mind, this is the first iteration of the App Store, Amazon App Store on PC. Hopefully in the future it will continue to improve and expand. Other than that, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description below. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and peace out.